Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to multiply and divide mixed numbers. Mixed numbers consist of a whole number and a fraction. Here are examples of mixed numbers. To multiply two mixed numbers, first you need to convert them into improper fractions, then multiply the numerators and then the denominators together. But how do we do to convert a mixed numbers into improper fractions? To convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, you need to take the whole number and multiply it by denominator. So 5 times 3 equals 15, and then adding to the numerator. 15 plus 2 equals 17. And the denominator remains the same as the original denominator. So we write 3 here. Here we have a negative mixed number. Notice that for converting it to an improper fraction, you need to take the whole number with the sign before it and then multiply it by the denominator. So here we have minus 3 as a whole number. And then we need to multiply it by the denominator. So minus 3 times 2 equals minus 6. Then we need to adding to the numerator. So minus 6 plus 1 equals minus 5. And here we have 2 as a denominator. Now let's divide into mixed numbers. Here we have 4 and 2 over 3 divided by 3 and 2 over 7. First, we need to rewrite these mixed numbers to improper fractions. So we need to multiply whole number to the denominator equals 12. Then adding to the numerator, which is 14. So we have 14 over 3. And here we have 3 times 7 equals 21, then adding to 2 equals 23. So 23 over 7 is our improper fraction. So we have something like this: 14 over 3 divided by 23 over 7. Then for dividing two fractions, just need to keep, change and flip. You need to keep the first fraction as is and then change the division sign to multiplication. Lastly, flip the second fractions by switching the top and the bottom numbers. At this point, we have two fractions multiplied together. To get the final answer, you need to multiply the numerators and then the denominators together. So we have 98 over 69, our final answer. Thanks for watching this video with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more math hacks and tips. Until next time, happy mathing!